Welcome, guys. Cup of Joe Christmas is in full effect. I'm Joel Villafana. Thank you for joining us. We're rolling out recipes, and the first recipe we're doing is a nice little twist on a local favorite. Brought to you by the folks at Lion Brand. They have a Pholourie mix that I have sworn by because I am not as good as some in terms of making Pholourie from scratch. So this, I swear by, I could make this and get on just like the professionals, you know, and Pholourie. Thanks to Lion Brand. But we're not just doing Pholourie today. We're in Christmas mode, aren't we? We are doing a Christmas Pholourie. So to create this wonderful concoction, Susan Samlal is here. She's back of Sweet Sauce Catering. Last week she did all her wonderful fancy cakes. Today, she's doing a Pholourie mix with Lion Brand, the Pholourie mix. A Christmas Pholourie, Susan?
Yes.
How you come up with a Christmas Pholourie?
Well, you know, during this season, people like nice appetizer.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking a nice chopped ham in a Pholourie mix would be nice.
Right. So you eat the Pholourie and you get a little bites of ham.
Yes. So you can use ham, you can use turkey, anything.
You can use a mix of both.
Yes.
You can use a mix of both, yeah.
Yes.
So it's kind of perfect if you have like leftover ham and turkey kind of thing.
The perfect snack.
Yeah. So Pholourie is not just Pholourie.
No.
But Pholourie, you can kind of mix things in.
Yes, we added a little twist to the Pholourie.
Nice. So go ahead. And easy with the Lion Brand Pholourie mix.
Definitely.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So today we're going to start with our Pholourie mix by Lion's Brand. So we're going to use 1 packet of Pholourie mix.
The entire packet?
Yes. And we're going to pour that in our mixing bowl. And we're just going to add a few extra spices. You can add whatever you like, but Lion's Pholourie mix already has a lot of spices and stuff in it. So we have our mix here. We're going to add a little dust of salt.
A dust of salt?
So I like a nice taste of jeera. This roasted jeera. So we're just going to add a little hint again.
Yeah.
Right? And then we have some nice chopped green seasoning here with shadow belly, garlic, hot peppers, pimentos. We're going to add some of that in here. And we're going to give that a little mix. And then we're going to add our chopped ham.
Susan, you bake ham again?
Yes, I did.
All the ham that you bake again? Everybody eyeing that ham, you know?
So we're going to mix it in. And then we're going to go in with some warm water. About just a cup and a half. So we're going to get that nice soft consistency, that sticky-ish batter. But you're not going to go with all the water in at once.
It's just amazing how it immediately starts turning yellow.
Yes.
Whatever.
There is some saffron in there. That's how you get that yellow color.
Right.
Yes.
Inside the Lion Brand Pholourie mix.
Yes. And then we're going to leave this to rest for like 2 minutes while we heat our pots with hot oil. So we have our batter rested, and now we're going to make some small balls with our batter. We have some water here on the side to put our hands in so you can get a free flow. So oil is hot, so we're going in with our Pholourie. So you're going to make small balls. Okay. Let's give it a little turn.
It comes together very quickly, Susan.
Very quickly. Once your oil is hot, boiling hot, it comes together really quickly. Once it's nice and golden brown, your Pholourie is ready. So you see that nice golden brown color there?
Yeah.
Paper here, we're going to put it in to take out some of that oil. So we're going to put our appetizer together on this skewer here. This could be a nice Christmas appetizer for your friends, family, and we have a nice SORREL chutney that I pre-made to go with that.
What are you saying?
Yes.
SORREL chutney?
SORREL chutney, yes, true.
How you just flavored what a normal chutney or you made it from scratch?
I just boiled the sorrel
Mm-hmm.
with some spices. You add a little clove, ginger, cinnamon leaf, spice, and then I use my hand blender and I pureed that a bit. I added some sugar, some salt, and some fresh chopped seasoning, so you could try it.
I can try, but Susan, so
Yes.
this looks so good. But can I just get? I really just
Sure.
want to try one of the bowls
No
with a
problem.
little sorrel chutney. Susan, that's great. I love the sorrel chutney.
Yes. You got that nice sweet, savory taste
Mm-hmm.
together with a nice shadow benny, garlicky flavor. Yeah.
Suzanne from Sweet Sauce Catering, thank you very much. So, what Suzanne proves, thanks to Lion Brand, you don't need to just eat Pholourie plain.
Yes.
You can do Christmas Pholourie appetizer bites with some ham, some turkey, pork, anything you have left over for Christmas. Chop it up. Pholourie bites, lovely, lovely little appetizer on your Christmas table this season. Thank you very much, my dear.
You're welcome.
We're coming back. We're rolling out more recipes. I have lots to do on the show. Come on back. Cup of Joe Christmas is here.